Assalamu alaikum students. Hope that you will be fine. Today I have brought a new lecture that's about spoken English. How can you speak English fluently? How can you improve your spoken English? I have brought 5 easy and possible steps and I will make you understand one by one. इंग्लिश आप लोगों ने कैसे इम्प्रूव करना है. काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स सोचते हैं और पूछते भी है कि सर हमें तो टेंसेस आते हैं, एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस आते हैं, बेसिक डिफिनेशंस आ रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हम लोग इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकते सही तरीके से, फ्लुएंटली नहीं बोल सकते हैं. लेकिन इसके लिए 5 इजी स्टेप्स हैं. कौन कौन से है? द फर्स्ट वन इज लिसनिंग. आपकी लिसनिंग पावर शुड बी इम्प्रूव्ड, शुड बी स्ट्रांग. कैसे? इफ समवन इज स्पीकिंग, just listen him carefully, just listen her carefully with fully attention what he is saying, what she is saying. Just pick up her words or his words. After that, imitate. Imitate means copy the words the one who is speaking in front of you. Imitate से मुराद नकल करना, कॉपी करना. मिसाल, the one who is speaking English, okay, just listen him what he is talking about. Is he using difficult words, tough words, modern words or old words? Just imitate, okay, what he is speaking, what is he talking about. Just imitate. Listen others first. Listen others with fully attention. With fully attention. Listen others with fully attention. The second one is imitate. Copy the words of others. Of speaker. Copy the words of speaker. Whatever the speaker says, just listen him or her what he is saying. Just pick up his or her words. After that, read. Read newspaper, columns, different books that you may pick up the different vocabularies. If you have bundle of or plenty of vocabularies, then you can speak fluently, confidently. If you have no words, how can you speak? If you have no knowledge about something, so how can you speak? The first thing, listen someone carefully, then imitate his or his words, then read some newspaper, books and pick up the golden words. After that, speak with everybody. That try to speak. By speaking, you can improve your speaking power. With the passage of time, we can say that our room cannot be built in a day. बच्चा एक दिन में मुल्ला नहीं बन सकता है. आपने स्पीकिंग करनी है. Just try your level best. Day by day, inshallah, you will improve your speaking power. Read newspaper, books, different columns, speak with others, and at last, it needs. Do practice at least for 30 minutes. Make practice. We say that practice makes a man perfect. वो क्यों कहते हैं? If you speak with someone with the passage of time, if you make practice with the passage of time, you will improve your speaking power. Do make practice. Use whatever you know. Basically, we are speaking, we are using tenses and some model verbs in our speaking power. So follow these 5 steps to improve your spoken English. This is part 1. With the passage of time, in the next lectures, I will upload some more steps. So hope that you have gotten my points. Thanks for watching me.